What is Respond.io and how to use it? Before diving in, I have two quick questions. On average, how many social media accounts do you think a business has? Most businesses tend to have between 5 to 15 social media accounts. And also, how many touch points do you think it takes to convince someone to normally make a sale? Based on research, it can go up to 29 as you can see right here. So that means that you'll need to have a YouTube account, a Twitter account, so many different platforms. And that is going to be a very tedious task, especially if you're a small business owner, to manage all of those accounts and be able to offer the best customer service, replying to your customers and all of that. This is where Respond.io comes in. Respond.io is a platform that allows you to centralize all of your different marketing strategies in one unison inbox. So you'll be able to, for example, if you like to get a freelancer, your freelancer or your team member will be able to respond to persons quickly. And with Respond.io, you can actually get started for completely free. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up, and if you were to go onto their paid plan, it will also help to support the channel. So thank you in advance. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to this page. And by the way, with Respond.io, it can work in basically any industry. And I do recommend that you market yourself or your business better yet on different platforms, as you don't want to niche yourself down too much. There are customers all over on the internet. So you're going to simply tap on Start Free Trial. From there, you'll be able to create an account using your email address. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. The first thing you're going to see is Connect Channel. And this is basically the social media accounts that you would like to connect. For example, you can connect your WhatsApp business platform, Telegram, Viber, Line, and so much more. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect your website. So you're going to simply tap right where you see website chat, and you're going to tap on connect. Then you'll tap on connect once more. After you have done that, you're going to put in your website URL. So for example, I'm going to be using my Shopify store. So all I'll need to do is go into Shopify. Once in Shopify, I'm going to simply get the Shopify URL. So I'll copy my Shopify store URL. After you have done that, you're going to go back into Respond.io. You would paste it right here. Then you can choose the widget that you like to use. By the way, after pasting it in, you're just going to tap on enter. You can also choose the color scheme that you want based on the theme of your website. Then you can choose the icon that you want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this icon, or you can choose to upload an icon. After doing that, you're going to tap on next. And depending on the platform that you're using, you're going to see different options right here. So for this example, I'm using Shopify. And by the way, if you're using WordPress or so on, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you'll see additional resources, and it shows you how to integrate it. All you need to do is simply copy it. Once you have copied it, you can go back into Shopify. You're going to select themes. After selecting themes, you're going to tap on the three dot. Then you'll tap on edit code. After selecting edit code, you'll be redirected to a new page, and from here you'll be able to add the code. So once here, all you need to do is search for footer liquid. Then you're going to paste it at the bottom and you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll realize that a chatbot now appears on your website. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner right here on my website, you can see a chatbot is right there. Now, the thing about it when it comes onto Respond.io that I really like is after you have finished install it, so I'm going to simply tap right here, I've added it, and we'll tap on complete. After you have done that, you can tap on go back to channels and you could connect more. So for instance, you could tap on browse catalog and you could connect your TikTok and so on. As I was saying earlier, I do recommend that you connect majority of these options. You can also set up calls, as you can see right here. So this is a new feature that they're offering where you'll be able to respond with calls. You can see SMS, email, live chat. They offer numerous forms of integration. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you could select integrations and you can also add in different platforms. If it is a case, instead of having just this basic live chat icon, you would like to, for example, offer the option for customers to connect with you over WhatsApp or so on your website. All you need to do is tap on Grow Widgets from the left-hand menu option, then tap on Add Widget. After you have done that, you can select multi-channel. Once you have selected multi-channel widget, from there you'll be able to set up your multi-channel widget. So for example, you can see how it will look. You will be able to input in your WhatsApp, you can add in Messenger, you can add in all of these options right here. So you'll be able to create your multi-channel widget. All you need to do is simply select it, then from there you'll be able to do that. You can also add QR if you want. You could add the WhatsApp widget only if you want. Once you're ready, you'll tap on Create Widget in the top right hand corner. Then from here you can put in your web domain name. Then you'll tap on Add Channel, and you can choose the options that you would like to add. So you can add your website chat, you can add custom QR code, you can add WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, all of the different options. You could line them out right there and you could add them onto your website. Now, after you have set up the channel, all you need to do now is simply go back. So we're going to simply go over to the left-hand menu option. We're going to select Dashboard. Once you have selected Dashboard, this is where you'll be able to get a quick overview of all of the messages. But if you were to tap on Inbox and select All, this is where the person that you leave in charge to monitor your customer service will be able to see all of the messages. And if it is a case that the AI cannot handle a particular message or the customer requests a human, this is where the person will be able to respond, as you can see right here. So this is basically the central hub. Another thing that I also want to show you when it comes onto the AI agent, if we were to select AI agent from the left hand menu option, after you have done that, all you need to do now, we are going to be selecting support agent. I'm just going to tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, you're going to scroll down, and what I want you to do, you're going to set up a knowledge base. The knowledge base is basically the information that the AI will have access to so that it can automatically respond to customers. So you're going to scroll down. You have different options that you can toggle on or off. Once here, you're going to see the option train your AI. From here, you can tap on add AI knowledge source. After you have done that, you have a few options. You can either tap on add website and you could put in your website URL. So this means that it will automatically scrape your website. For example, if it is a case that you are doing Shopify like myself, it will scrape all of the products that you have, the product's price, and all of those information. If it is a case that you offer service, it will scrape your business hours, the services that you offer, the different employees, and all of that. So this is how you'll be able to train your AI. So you can tap on add website, put in your website URL, then you can add in a name right there. Once you have done that, you'll select done, and from there your chatbot will now have all of the necessary information about your business, and you could test it out from the right hand column right here. So that's the beautiful thing about Respond.io. Not only does it provide you with a central hub where anyone in your business that is responsible for customer service or social media will be able to monitor all of your inboxes, but it also gives you access to a chatbot that will allow you to quickly arbitrate, get a more hands-off feel, so you don't have to worry about responding to messages on time or so on, as the chatbot will be able to respond 24/7. Again, when it comes onto Respond.io, you can get started for completely free, as they offer a free trial period, and then from there you can go onto their paid plan after testing it out. If you have any questions or anything that you would like me to go over further, let me know in the comment section, and thank you again for watching.